Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, dear audience. Every beginning has an end, and every end is a new beginning. Thank you so much, everyone, for having me here today. Actually, it is great pleasure for me to say something before you. Now, I would like to share our bachelor life. If I ask you a question, what do you mean by bachelor life? It means I am not yet married, right? Actually, I focus on my education, career, self-development at this stage of my life. I enjoy spending time learning new skills and working hard in my life. Some people think that being bachelor means living alone with friends and managing everything like cooking. It's like being the king of our own tiny kingdom. Only the king cooks noodles and sells every day. People often ask me, don't you feel lonely? And I say, not really. I talk to my pillow, family, friends every night. It never urges. Do you know bachelor date is a 1 cup of tea, 2 biscuits and 100 dreams. But other side, bachelor life teaches us many things. We learn responsibility, time management and budgeting, especially when there are just 50 taka left for the holy week. Most importantly, we learn to follow ourselves. Sometimes it's hard when we watching couples on Facebook post together forever. While I am posting nice couple, two loves never ends. Now I will go crying in peace. Then I say to myself, no girlfriend, no drama, only Wi-Fi and pajama. Bachelor life is a meaningful chapter. It's not just about being single. It's about becoming stronger, wiser and ready for what's ahead. Inshallah, when the time is right, I will find someone to share this journey. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.